How to create custom sticker on Snapchat. So if you want to create a custom sticker on Snapchat, then what you need to do is first open up your Snapchat application, and after that go with a snap. So for example, I'll be taking a snap. Once you've taken, here on the right side you will have a bunch of options, right? So what you need to do is you just need to simply go with the scissors option, tap on scissors, and then you need to choose the part or outline the item that you would like to create a sticker. So I'll be choosing this part. Once you've chosen, now go with done, which is on the upper right, and the sticker has been created. Now you can adjust the sticker wherever you like, and that's it. You've created your custom sticker. You can simply save that, or if you remove that and if you go with a new snap and go with the stickers icon, which is on the third option right side, and here you will have scissors option, tap on scissors, and here you will have the stickers that you have created. So tap on the sticker, and that's it. That's how you can create a custom sticker on Snapchat. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.